Hi everyone, my name is HOSTCREED. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited to share yet another video with you. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an internet banking website using the HSBC banking script. Now this script has all the features a basic bank has. So I'm going to teach you how to install this script from beginning to the end, and after that I will show you all the features, how to manage the website, and everything you need to know about the system. So before I do that, please, I would love to give a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Should anyone use any knowledge gotten from this video for harmful or illegal purposes, they will be fully responsible for their actions. So guys, before we get started into this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question in between this video or you're having an issue installing this script, guys, leave it for me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel also, guys, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because that's the only way you get to see me whenever I upload a new video, and I also get to grow my YouTube channel. So without wasting so much of our time, guys, let's get started with this video. So I'll quickly log into my cPanel, and I'm going to do this using just a subdomain. So you can do this with a fresh website. So I'm just going to I'm already logged into my cPanel. I'm just going to go to the file manager, and I will install this script in the subdomain or a subfolder. Let me just go to the public HTML, and I will also just create a subfolder. Okay, that's double click, and then I'll just create a folder and name it HSBC. So it will be my website URL / HSBC. That will be the root of the website. Okay, now that's all we need to do. Just click on create new folder, and we have this HSBC folder right here. So just open up that folder and then click on upload, and then it's time for us to upload our file. So just go here, this is the zip file that we want to upload, so just drag it up here and then leave it. So it is now uploading. So guys, I will leave a link to get this script in the description of this video. So this script will cost you only 20,000 naira. So just all you have to do is click on the link, and then after payment you'll be redirected to a page where you can download this script here. Okay, now while this is loading, I'll quickly go back to my cPanel and then create a database user, and also then link the database with the database user and grant permissions. That's all we have to do. Then the next thing we have to do also is to go to the PHP my admin and then upload the SQL file that we have to upload. Okay, now let's just go to the MySQL databases. Okay, so all I have to do is just create a database here. I'll just say HSBC, that's in capital letter HSBC. Okay, create database. Alright, now this database is created. I'll just copy the name, go over to a notepad, and then just leave the note right here. So this should be like DB name, and I will now paste the name. Okay, click on go back. Alright, just scroll down a bit. You can see these MySQL users, add new user. So I'll just add new user, HSBC user. I'll just call it HSBC user. So for the password, I'll just click on this generate password, then I'll just copy this generated password and click I have copied this password in a safe place, then click on use password. Then the password will be duplicated in this password, and password again fields. So just click on create user. By the way, I would love to paste the password I just copied right here. So this will be DB password. Okay, paste that right there so that I will not miss it. So click on okay, I would love to copy this database username right here. Also, I would love to save it right here. This should be DB user. Okay, all right, so with that done, just click on go back to get back to here. Okay, just scroll down till the end. you see add user to database. I'll just select the database, the user right here, and also go down and select the database. You can see the user is HSBC user and the database is HSBC. I'll just click on add. So I'm adding this user to the database and just grant all the permissions. Just here you need to grant all the permissions. So for you to grant all the permissions at once, just click on all privileges and you select all the privileges at once instead of selecting them one after the other. So just click on make changes and then okay, now it is successful. The permission successfully been granted. Okay, that's all we have to do here. So just go back, click on these 9 dots right here to go back to your cPanel homepage, and let's navigate to the PHP My Admin. The PHP My Admin. So in the zip file that you will get from the link in the description below, there will be an SQL databases folder. So when you open up that folder, you will see a database.sql file there. So all you have to do is, you can see the database we just created, the HSBC. Click on it, you will see that it is empty so far. So you will need to import the file that contains all the tables that makes up the website. So just click on import and then choose file right here. So in the file there will be these SQL databases. You can see this SQL database. Click on it and you see this SQL database. Just install, open it. Okay, open it and then scroll down and click on go. So it will import all the tables and relations that we need for this website. Okay, it's doing that. It will take approximately 1 minute. Okay, all right, import has been successfully finished. You can see that right there. So if you click on the HSBC, you will see the whole tables. You can see them right here from the left hand side. Okay, now you can see all the whole tables. Just click on admin. Click on admin. You can see you will have one admin, and this is the admin username and this is the admin password. Meanwhile it is being encrypted. So okay, that's all we have to do. Let's check back if our file is due. Okay, now the file has uploaded successfully and is now turned green bar. So we just have to click on go back. Okay, when we click on go back, we'll see the file right here. So we have to right click and select extract. So we are extracting to public.html, public_html /hsbc. Yes, why not extract files? Okay, all right, click on close. All right, let's just reload this page. Okay, we now have that right here. So all we have to do, by the way, I would love to delete this zip file here, delete, and I will permanently delete it. Okay, now let's open up this folder and then I would love to select all. Just click on move right here, move. So we are moving it up to the HSBC folder. You can see that right there. So click on move files. Why not? So all the files will be moved to the parent directory. You can see that. This is public_html, and inside the public_html there is the HSBC folder, and this is what we have. You can see the HSBC banking script folder that we just moved all the files from. Now is empty. You can see that. So I will just have to delete this folder. Why not? It's empty, like why not? So permanently delete this, confirm. So when we are through doing that, all we have to do next for our website to start working is to connect the database with the script. So just click on the account right here, or if yours is secure, click on secure. If yours is account, click on account. So click on include. Now we have to edit 5 files right here: the billing config, the class user, the connect db config, and the mail SMS. So let's do that right now. Right click on that and choose edit once more. So you will see the database information right here that we need to edit. So let's just grab that, and this is the password, this is the database password. Click on copy that This is the password right here, paste that, and then this is the user, this is the database user. Where's the database? Okay, here's the database user, replace that, and here's the database name, replace that. All right, we're good to go. Click on save changes. We are done with this file. Let's go back to the cPanel folder. Let's go back and then select class user, right click and choose edit, and edit once more. Okay, let's scroll down a bit, let's scroll down a bit to here. Now this will be the SMTP settings, like the email SMTP settings. If you want to be receiving email alerts, this script sends debit alerts, credit alerts, account creation alert and all that in the email, and also the phone SMS. So this is for the SMS. All you have to do is to create a Twilio account and then generate an SID and also a token and replace them with here, and also the from name with a maximum of 11 characters. You can replace the from name right here. Okay, now for the email, we have to create an email. Let's go back to the cPanel, go back to the email section and email account, and then just click on create. I would love to create an email account. Okay, so let's say this is HSBC. I just create a password. I would love to generate one. Just generate one. Why not? Copy that. Let me just save that right here. Call it email password. Just paste that right there. Okay, why not? So after I'm through doing that, I'll just click on create password, create email, and the email will be created. Let me just locate the email, and this is the hsbc@iwebtech.com. I'll click on check email. So all the information will be sent, all the SMTP configuration information will be sent. I'll just check this, open my inbox whenever I log in, and then select open. Okay, while that is open, you can see the information have been sent to the email. So this is one way to get all the SMTP information. So let's just open the email, and then you can see that the secure SSL stroke TLS settings. So this is what we need. This is all what we need. Outgoing server is iwebtech.com. Let's just copy that and then go back to the file right here. So the host name is iwebtech.com, and then the username is hsbc@iwebtech.com. So you can see the username right here. I'll copy that and replace this, and then also replace that in all these fields, Okay, so the password to the email will be this. I will just copy that and then copy that. So this is the password right here. Paste that. Okay, the port is 465. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, it's 465. You can see that. So set up the port, and this is how you set up your email SMTP. You can see that the protocol, the secure protocol, is SSL. Okay, so you can now set the name here. Just remove the name and whatever, HSBC, I don't know. This is just for demo purposes, HSBC. So why not? We are through configuring the SMTP mail settings. You can see that right here. So just click on. So for the Twilio, create a Twilio account, generate an SID and also a secret token, and then paste them here and change the from name, and you'll be good to go with SMSs. So just click on save changes. Okay, let's go back. Now connect db.php, click on that, edit, and then edit once more. Okay, Okay, now db config, right click on that and select edit, and then edit once more. Okay, so now we have to edit the database information right here again. So let me just copy the user. This is the user, database user right here. Replace that database name, just replace that and remove the user at the beginning, and we are good to go. Database password once more, database password. That password is looking so ugly. So I will paste the password and we are good to go here. So you can now change the company email, you can change the company name, the company address, the company initials. You understand what I'm saying? It depends on your company name. Also change the name here, the address, the account, So this script has the ability for the admin to receive money from the users and then go to the admin dashboard and credit them. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So you drop your account details here and it will appear in every user dashboard that if they want to credit their account, they will just copy all these addresses, your account details, and then they will pay money into your account, and then you go to the admin dashboard and credit their account. You understand what I'm saying? So that will be all with this file. We just click on save changes, come back right here again to mail SMS, click on edit and edit once more. So we have to edit this SMS. I would love to come right here, that this place I edited before. Just copy this, but be careful with doing this. Careful about copying all these. You can just fill them up one after the other instead of copying, but for me, I would love to copy that and paste right here, and then also configure the Twilio, and after that click on save changes. I decided to copy that for us not to waste time in this video. So let me go back, and that will be all for this include folder. Let me just go back, and then once you go back one step, click on this dashboard, open the dashboard folder, and also open the admin folder, and we have to edit 3 files right here. We have to edit the class admin, the class CREED, and also the connectdb.php files. So these 3 files right here. So let me just start with the class admin. Right click on that, choose edit and edit once more. So just scroll down a little more, scroll down a bit more, scroll down and down and down and down and down and down. You can see the SMTP settings right here. I've already copied that. I'll just go ahead and paste it, and then you can set up the Twilio SMS configuration. Then click on save changes. We are through with this file. Go back, and then the class CREED, edit and edit once more. Scroll down and down and down. Keep scrolling down and down. Just keep scrolling. I'm sorry about that. So just keep scrolling, and you can see the SMTP settings once more. I would love to replace that, and then the Twilio once again. Do that, and then save changes. Now the last one, the connectdb, edit and edit once more. So here we have a lot of fields to edit right here. Okay, I will just, you can see we have this to edit one, and then we have this also, we have this to edit, we have this, the company information, we have this database, and we also have these database sections. So let's start afresh. Let me just go and grab the database information. This is the database password. I'll paste password. I'll just go ahead and do it for the 3 at once. So I'll just paste the password. So I'm doing this very fast for us not to waste time in this video, but if you are doing this, please, you should calm down. A bit, and you can see the password right here again. So this is the user, and this is the password, and this is the database name. So I'll just replace the password. So if you are doing this, please calm down and do it so as not to make a mistake. So I'll copy the database user, come over here, This is the database user. This is the database user second time. And this is also the database user right here, third time, and database user the fourth time. So let's go back and copy the database name. So if you are doing this, you have to be very careful and do it as slow as possible. It must not be fast, you don't have to be fast. So let me paste the database name the first time, the database name the second time, and then the database name the third time, and the last time right here. Okay, we are good with this. So set up the company information here, the company title, the site title, site address, initials, the site email and all that. So after setting that up, just click on save changes. Now when we are through doing that, I would love to close some of these tabs, they are becoming too much. Okay, so after doing that, let's just load up the website. The website address should be iwebtech.com/hsbc. okay, let's load that up and check. So if we connected the database correctly, this should be able to load the page. Okay guys, now the website is loaded up, and that means we connected the database information correctly. You can see that right here, guys. Now the website is loading up for us, and we have nothing more to do with the database connections and all that. So let's check on the admin panel. Let's check on the admin panel if it's really opening up. So this is the website.com/hsbc / the account / dashboard, and also / the admin. Let's check if the admin dashboard was connected correctly. Okay, I think it did. All right, you can see that. So the admin dashboard is loading up, and the user dashboard is also loading up, and we are good to go, guys. We have succeeded in installing this script. So now what is left is for us to log in into the website, and then explore the website, create a user, explore the user dashboard, and also the admin dashboard. So with that said, let's get into that. So I will just impute the admin dashboard. You can see that if you go to the PHP my admin, you can see the admin username right here is admin@admin.com, and the password right here is encrypted. So I already know the password. I will leave the password in a readme file, in the zip file that contains the script. So now I will just impute the password, the admin password. You can actually change this password. Just go to the PHP my admin, click on edit, and then after that just go to the password right here. You can now choose the encrypt. You can choose the encrypt right here, and you can now type the password that you need, or password that you prefer. So I'll just input the password and click on access admin panel. So admin panel will be logged in, and you can now see the website right here. You can see this is really good, this is cool, and it's really fresh. Nothing has happened in this website. It is still fresh. You can see the user account is 0, ticket 0, transfer made 0. So the users will appear right here. So let's just go ahead and create a new user. So register account, go over to register account. I will just create a new user immediately. I will just use I'll just use John Doe. Why not John Doe? And then the last name this is not required. The username, I'll just say John Doe. And then password 1 2, why not John Doe 1 2 3 4. Occupation, I would say lawyer. I don't know, I'm just joking. And then phone number, this is automatically generated, I don't know. So the email, I just love to use one of my emails, okay. Okay, I'll use this. Please don't spam my email, please. This is just one of my emails. Please don't spam it. Date of birth, I will choose something, maybe 12. I'll just use today's date, and I'll change the year. So today's date is this 13th of June 20 not 20 again, let's just say 1989, I think so. Marital status, let's just say married, gender male, address, just something at some city, you understand what I'm saying? Let's just say checking account, this account type, registration date, today's date, why not? So today's date is June 13th, 2022. So total balance, if you want to add initial balance while opening the account, you're welcome to put it here, but for now I'm not going to do that. I've level balance, the same thing. Select account number. Now this account number is automatically generated for every account creation, so this is automatically generated. You can also remove this and then edit whatever account number you want to edit, you understand? So the dollar, the currency, you can actually choose between dollar, pounds or euro. I'll leave it at dollar. The COT code is automatically generated, same as the tax code and IMF code. So the login ATM pin, I would love to just input that. I'll just say 1234, transfer pin, I'll just say 1234. Once again, I don't have to use complex things, So click on register, and hopefully the account will be registered. It's loading. What's gonna happen? Okay, fine, success. Account has been successfully registered. So guys, we have registered this account. Let me just go back to the dashboard, and you can see this total account is now 1. You can see the information, John Doe, this the account number, this is the password, this is the account pin. You can see the email, phone number, sex, account type, total balance, COT, tax, IMF, currency, and status is active. Registration date is this. So guys, let me just quickly load up the website and we can log into the admin dashboard. So I will just say iwebtech.com/HSBC. Now let's load that up so that we can be able to log into the user dashboard. Sorry about that. So let's just copy the account number. So for you to log into the account, to the user account, you need the account number and the password, and in the next window you will also need the account login pin. So you can see this, enter this account number and also enter the password. The password should be John Doe 1234, if I think so, if I'm correct. John Doe 1234, yes, that's it. So just click on, maybe remember me, I don't know, click on sign in. So in the next field, it will require us to put the account login pin. Okay, all right, very good. So now just put on the account login pin. In my case, it's 1234. Click on, you can see this, hi John, this is a greeting. Okay, all right, so we are logged into the account. So this is how the user dashboard looks like. You can see it's still loading, a minute or two, I don't know. Okay, you can see that we have this currency reading here, and we have the IP address, and we have the dates, the time and all that. The John Doe, now the account picture should appear here, so let's go ahead and insert the account picture. So from the admin dashboard, you can only add account photo from the admin dashboard. You just go to bank manager, and you can now see upload client photo. Click on that, and that is that. Okay, you can see, please make sure the image is a .jpg file and saved with account username. So quickly, let's just check on the account username we just created. You can see the username is John Doe. All right, John Doe is the username. So we just have to save the let's just go here, and I think I have this image, John Doe. Okay, Okay, I have this image right here. It's an image of me. It's my face here. So okay, and let me check if it's a dot. Yeah, it's a dot jpg file. So if your file, okay, let me just do this before I say what I'm about to say. So I'll just rename this image. I will rename it to John Doe. This is what the script means. This is what the website means. You know, let's go back to the website, go back to upload client photo. Let me show you once more. So you can see, please make sure the image is a .jpg file and saved with account username. So we just did that. Now we just saved the image with the account username. You can see this John Doe right here. So all we have to do is to go ahead and click on the choose file, and then I save it as my OneDrive, and this here is the John Doe. I will just click on upload image. So if everything, you can see the image is a .jpg file. So if your image is not a JPG file, just go to Google and you can type, maybe it's a .png file. You can just type png to JPG, sorry about that, JPG converter, and you will see a free converter that will help you. You can see that png to JPG converter. I'll click on any of them, and you can now drag your image and drop it here, and then it will convert it to a .jpg file, which you can be able to download and then use on your website. So let me just close all that up. So now let's reload this user account and see if the picture will appear right here. Okay, you can see that the John Doe account now has a user image. You can see that we have succeeded in adding a client photo, and that is that you can see image successfully uploaded, and then we checked the user dashboard, and yes, it was actually really uploaded. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard, and then let's just click on the bank manager once more. So here, right here, block user account. If you want to block user account, you can just go over here and then select account right here. There will be list of usernames, or the list of your users, your website users. Just choose anyone you want to choose, and then set status. You can see inactive, disabled, suspend, or dormant. So you can choose anyone. If you, for example, if you choose suspended, then if the person wants to log in, if the account wants to log in, then they will receive a notice. If they input their account number and also the password and click on login now, then the next thing they will see, account has been suspended. You are no longer able to log in, or something thereabout. So just try everything out, you see everything yourselves. So but this is how to disable any account. Okay, let's go back over to bank manager once more. I've shown you how to upload a client photo. Okay, let's just go over to view pending accounts. Probably you have some people that are signed up from the website. You just view them right here, and you see them right here, and you see how to activate all the pending accounts. Okay, let's go ahead and credit this user right here. You can see the account balance right now is $0.00. Okay, let's just go over here, and then you can see credit user. Let's click on credit user, and then I'll just choose on the user right here. Just from, I don't know, just type some rubbish. Let's just credit it with $5,000. Description, I don't know. Date, just choose any date, and it can also allow you to backdate, you understand, to backdate your transactions. So time, oh sorry about that, time, I'll just choose any time, then click on credit account. So I'll credit this account with a sum of $5,000. Okay, let's see. You can see this account successfully credited, the sum of these. Now let's go back to the account, and then let's reload. So we should be able to see the balance. You can see now $5,000. Now let's go over to the bank statement, e-statement right here. Okay, you can see this credit, you can see this, right guys, you can see this. Now it also has a credit alert if you still check your email. Let me try and open my email. I don't know, my Gmail or something. Gmail, okay, gmail.com, so I can be able to show you how the credit alert looks like. So on creating the account, first of all, I should receive an email alert. Okay, this is not the email. I'll go ahead and then open the correct email address. Okay, I think it's loading up. Okay, you can see that. So click on this, you can see the credit alert. Oh, okay, this is the account creation email. You can see that. Congratulations, John, your account was successfully opened. Please see the details of your account below. You can see the account number, the password, the account pin, and all that. And the balance is 0. So if you added an available amount while creating the account, you as well see it here. So now we have created the account, and then okay, let's just look to see the credit alert. Okay, let me just go over to the draft. I don't know, to the spam folder. I don't know. Go to the spam folder, and it's not here yet, so I guess it will be here soon. The alert will be here soon. So you can see that's the credit. This is the bank statement. You can see that. So let's also go ahead to the admin dashboard, and then let's go ahead and debit that same user right here. So click on debit user. Okay, select the user you wish to debit from, I don't know, amount. Let's just debit sum of $1,200. Description, I don't know, the date, the time, just choose anything. Click on debit user account. Okay, now it's loading up. Okay, you can see this account successfully debited a sum of 1,200. Okay, now let's go ahead and then reload this stuff here. This is the user account. You can see this credit of this, you can see the debit of this. So you can see the actual balance right here. The available balance is $3,800. You can see the balance here is $3,800. Okay, now let's check on our email. Now the alert is here. Let's check on the alert. Dear John, this is a summary of a transaction that has occurred on your account below. Transaction alert. This is debit. You can see the balance right here. So this is how the debit alert is. The credit alert is also there right here. So okay, what more? Okay, let's click on the bank manager and then view tickets. So this also has the Get Help platform. So just if you are a user and you want to write to the website, you want to write to the bank, to the admins, you just click on the Get Help and then open ticket. So you can now open a Get Help ticket. All right, so you can see this. You can write your message. This is the message subject right here. Write on the message and then submit ticket. You can see that right there. So when you write a message and you submit the ticket, then the admin should be able to see it from the view ticket section. You can see that right here. So view ticket. Let me go ahead and just create a ticket. Let's just say something, I don't know, and now let's write something, I don't know. I'm just trying to be as fast as possible. So click on submit ticket and let's see what's next. Okay. Ticket successfully opened. Your ticket ID is this, has been opened. Now let's go over here and reload this admin ticket section. Okay, you can see that right from sender John, subject this, message this. You can see that. So you can see that you can now click on the reply and then you can now reply, or you can as well delete the ticket. So guys, let me show you how you can do some fund transfer from the user dashboard. I don't know why the image is not showing. Okay, just click on the funds transfer right here, or let's just go back to the dashboard and let's see what's going on. Okay, the funds transfer right here. Click on the funds transfer and then local bank transfer. So you can do a local bank transfer right here. Just put on the amount, the beneficiary account name, this, the receiving bank, and the narration purpose, or also description. Then the select account type, either checking, savings, or whatever, and then you can make transfer. So if you make this transfer, you will receive an OTP. Now there is no second account that you can transfer to, and there is no time to create a second account to transfer to, but you can try that out. That works out. So after you click on this make transfer, you will receive on your email an OTP that you can now use to confirm the transaction, and it will go successfully. There is no error in that at all. Also the wire transfer, wire international transfer, so you can just go there and you see how things are being done there. So you collect all the SWIFT code, the bank name, security, the routing number, the bank account, and all that. So just click on make transfer. You'll also receive a transaction token that you can use to confirm the transaction. So you can see this loan mortgages, can apply for loan. Yeah, this also supports the application of loans. So just click on that. You can write on the loan amount. You can see this is the loan quote right here. This is loan amount, this loan term 15 years, interest rate. You can see that. You can see all that right here. You can see the mortgage, you can see the loan. So this script supports the loan management. So you can now write the loan amounts that you want, and then the narration purpose, and you can click on apply for loan, and then the admin will receive your inquiry and then get back to you. So the bank cards as well, you can request for a bank card and all that, and then so that will be it. You can make deposit. So now let's see the make deposit. So while we are setting up the database, where we are connecting the database with the script, so I mentioned the place where you can now add on all your company information. This is your company name, address, account number, account name, and SWIFT code. So you put all these right here. So if any user wants to credit the account, they will just go over here and then pay into your account. So you as the admin, you can now go to the admin dashboard and now use the credit user section and now credit that user the same amount that is sent to you. So you can also use Bitcoin, you can also use the Bitcoin blockchain platform, so just so that is it. So that's it, like, so you can also use the Bitcoin back there in the admin dashboard. You can see a place to paste your Bitcoin wallet, and then so that your users you can see this is the current Bitcoin exchange rate. So you can see this is the current Bitcoin exchange at the moment. So it uses the current Bitcoin exchange at the moment. So guys, I think that's all with this script. Basically that's all. You can see the transfer code. You can just check up on every other thing in the admin and the user dashboard that is needed, and I won't also forget the languages. You can change up to more than 30 languages. So guys, just look through the website. So this script will go for the sum of 20,000 naira. It's just for a giveaway price. I'm giving it away for the sum of 20,000 naira. So if you have 20,000 naira and you need this script, yeah, you have it right here. I'll leave a link to get the script in the description of this video, and then if you need it, just follow the link after the payment. That's just a pay stack link, so it's nothing that has to do with me. It's secured and everything. Your payment, your card, whatever is secured. So just make the payment. After you make the payment, you will be redirected to the Google Drive platform, where you can now download the zip folder. I will leave my WhatsApp phone number below this video description. So if you want to contact me, we're good enough for you, that is also accepted. So guys, we have gotten to the end of this video. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So if you have any question, please put it on the comment section below. I will do well to respond to each and every question of yours. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, because that's the only way I get to grow my YouTube channel and you get to see my videos whenever I upload a new tutorial video. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.